everybody, welcome back to yet another video. It's your girl Bernice, and in today's video we're gonna be barbecuing with you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome guys, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being with me. Make sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Share this video, comments, let me hear what you think, guys. And yeah, so it's a Friday, guys, as I've said, and we're gonna be doing some barbecue, and we're gonna just barbecue some sausages. And funny thing is, guys, my husband was driving to work today and he found a, I don't know if he hit a pheasant or he found one, I really don't know, and he brought it home and he wanted to cook it. Can you imagine, guys? So I had to prepare it. Unfortunately, I don't have any video where I was preparing it because it was just like a quick thing I had to do so that to see if it's fresh or not fresh. But it is fresh, guys, and we're gonna be barbecuing it. So we're gonna show you how it's gonna be, and hope it tastes nice, guys. I've never tasted a pheasant, so this is my first time tasting one. So I hope it's gonna taste good. And yeah, it's just gonna be a great evening. The weather outside is amazing, guys. I'm just gonna show you. It's gonna be. He's coming to prepare this, put some coal on it, and it's just amazing, guys. Look at that. And our apple tree is flowering. It's so beautiful, guys. I don't know if you can see, but I'll just come close and then I'll just show you how beautiful these apple flowers are. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. So just come with us, guys, and we are gonna barbecue. So guys, we're starting the fire now. Look at this Danish innovation way of lighting up a grill, or starting up, not lighting up, but starting up a grill. So you have that, and then you put all the coals and some wood there, and then it's gonna start up. Yeah. So this is the bird, guys. It does look fresh, like look at it. So I'm just gonna season it with some herbs, and then we're gonna take it to the grill. So let's season it. So in a small bowl, guys, I'm gonna put my spices here. So I'm gonna have some olive oil. Just, it does have fat, but I'm just gonna have some olive oil. I'm gonna have some black pepper. Some white pepper. Oh, that's a lot. Some smoked paprika. And some oregano. I'm gonna use some oregano also. I'm just gonna mix that all up. If it's not enough, just do another marinade, right? So I'm just gonna use my hands. Oh, I need some salt, guys. I forgot salt. Need to salt the meat, of course. Yeah, so I just put some salt there. Maybe I'm gonna add some more olive oil. Just apply the marinade on your. I put some incisions so that the marinade can go also inside the meat. So you can do that, or you cannot do that. So just marinade. Bless me. interesting. Not a lot, so I don't want to make a lot of marinade. That's why I'm just making a YouTube and marinating everything first. Yeah, and it's all ready. More gold. Now let's go grill them, guys. And they're all ready. Here's our sausages, guys. So yeah, we're going to grill them. So now we're grilling the pheasant, guys. Look at that, guys. How long should it stay there? Until it's ready. Look at that, guys. That looks awesome. This is my first time tasting this, so I hope it will taste nice. What about you, babe? Have you ever?
Many years ago.
Have you ever eaten a pheasant? Many years ago. Nice. Look at that, guys. It looks awesome. Salt water and braise it on top.
Salt water.
Yeah. Put it on top. Yeah, but guys, look at this. The beauty of spring is that it's 7 o'clock, but it's still light. Oh no. Yeah. It's just olive oil and some spices. Yeah. Our food is ready, guys. But yeah, look at that, guys. It's amazing. It's 7 o'clock. It's 7:15, and the weather is this. So that's why people are more happy during spring and summertime, because, and anyway, we need to enjoy this because it's mostly dark in winter. So this is beautiful to enjoy. So we're gonna sit outside later on after we've eaten, and then we're just gonna enjoy the sunset after that. So we're going to eat. So guys, look at that. The sun is setting. Today we don't have like a golden sunset, but yeah, the sun is setting. It's 9 o'clock. This is what I love about spring and summertime. It gets this late and there's still light. Look, it's just so beautiful. It's still light outside and it's 9 o'clock at night, guys. So I just want to say good night. Thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video again. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Unfortunately, today we did not get to enjoy the sunset because there wasn't a lot of sun at night, but I will see you guys in my next video. So bye.